Well, everybody keeps asking me where the six-wheel drive's been. Well, it's still here and it's been doing a few miles. And obviously we've got some more things to fix with it. But I'm going to give you a bit of B-roll here. I've got over 300 gigabytes of footage that I've filmed over the last 2 weeks to edit into some kind of usable video. I still have my guest appearance here. He's extended his stay for a couple more weeks. So we've got a lot more to film. So enjoy a bit of B-roll of us driving around the countryside to some pretty music until I can get a bigger video done. Hope this satiates the Land Rover content for you.